listening to us right now, I'm waiting practice run live na radio. It's gonna be my first live practice run, and I'm a little nervous, as you can tell by my shaky voice. My name is Kay, as you heard in my intro, and this is the live first Tema Ung Autista practice run. Let me make that clear. Today we have Lilo as a guest, and we're gonna talk a little bit about whatever we want to talk about. Honestly, it's a practice run, and yes, let's just do this one. I think it's nice to see also how it goes for an autistic mind or neurodivergent brain to know how to practice in these things, because it doesn't go as easy as just showing the controls. So for me, it's a little bit, not, I wouldn't say harder, but a lot more steps in between. So hi Lilo.
Hi, Kay. How are you?
I'm good. I'm a little nervous, as you can tell.
That's okay. That's okay. Honestly, we've all been there.
Yeah.
Truly. Believe me, the first time that I had to do my own radio show, and then we didn't even have live streaming yet.
Exactly.
I was so nervous. I was sweating. I was like, what? And even, so I started doing radio in 2003. It's been a long time.
Yeah.
I went abroad in 2007. And then when I came back in 2018, I was nervous all over again.
Whoa.
And it's like, I've done this before.
Yeah,
exactly. It feels like a whole new start. So definitely understandable. And this is why a practice run is so important.
Yeah, that's true. I want to ask you something.
Yes, feel free.
How does it feel to, like, I don't know if you've trained Byron as well.
I have not.
Oh, okay. But how does it feel to, like, train me? Like, am I difficult?
No, you're not difficult at all. I think for me, it's kind of like remembering to be specific.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
get it.
I think that to me is like the biggest part, to remember to just be specific, be direct.
And clear.
And clear,
Yeah.
exactly. Because
Okay.
I mean, I feel like that obviously it would work best for all of us.
Exactly. Yeah.
So yeah.
I remember also the first time I came here, the mics were not labeled.
Yeah.
And I was like, how do y'all remember this? And I came with a label machine and I labeled the mic from 1 through 4. And it was also, Carolina told me it was like a big help for her to like see the numbers and just know which one to press.
Exactly.
So, I wanna like how do you say, like, what's the word, Kay? The not end alive, but I wanna see what other controls like lower volume or like stuff like that I have to use
Okay.
to.
Okay. So for example, for me, my voice is naturally loud. So you
Yeah.
could turn my volume down a bit.
And going down would be 10.
Yes. 10 would be perfect.
I'm just gonna try.
Yeah. Perfect. See, you can still hear me clearly?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so now if you can drag another case intro into the list, because we've already reached the end. See how quickly that passed by?
Yeah.
So yeah, if you can just drag another case intro next after the outro, after whatever's playing right now.
Right now it's
Yeah.
playing
Whatever's red, put it after the red.
red. Here.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, got it.
Okay, can you click on it and then hit play?
Click on it.
And hit play next to it, the triangle.
This one.
Yes, perfect. There you go. See, you did something else.
That's cool. But that it doesn't go like by itself then. I have to
No, now
always-
because you're forced starting it, you have to
Yeah.
click play.
Okay, and then the people at home can hear us.
Yes, they can
Okay.
hear us loud and clear.
No, but I mean like they can hear the intro. Okay guys, this is real life. This is how it goes down. And then I want to try working with the cameras. I'm gonna go to scenes, and then I'll go to, I don't know what you're seeing right now. Oh, you're
Yeah.
seeing me.
Yeah,
as
so when you
me.
talk directly into the mic, you will see your face. If you're a
Hello?
little further away, you won't see anything.
So right now it's on main guest 2.
Yeah, main guest and 2. Yeah,
Main guest
that
and
is
2.
correct.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm just learning.
No, no, hey, this is what we're here for. That's why we're here.
Did you also learn in this process when you came at Cool FM? I mean, you always worked at Cool FM. I feel like.
No, when I came back, then we had the live streaming. So yes, then I had to learn this as
Yes.
well.
And I want to see. Oh no, I can't show their faces. Right?
No, 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 no. They specifically asked you not to.
Mama, Papa.
But I think let me ask you something now, if that's okay. How did you experience your first show?
Oof. I feel like, you know what? Maybe I'm just a nervous person, like by default.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I was super nervous before and after, and it hasn't gone away. But the thing is, I think because I had a show prior, the one from Sincerely Carolina, where I was a guest, I think I had like a lot of things after each other before doing the show, that during my own show it was hard to even acknowledge
Yeah.
that all these things were in front of me. So I'm
Exactly.
super grateful that Carolina was standing here and she was like doing whatever she was doing here,
Yeah,
and then she's just changing controls and stuff, and I'm like, thanks, 'cause without you this would have not, nobody could have heard us at home.
Yeah.
So yeah, but I think I want another training because I got it down, but maybe I have to make it this thing, but like in paper form or something, and I'll just touch it at home and just like train
Perfect.
at home.
Let's do
how
that.
how does it go?
Okay, so now it's your turn. How are you going to end the live?
I have to first go to K outro.
Mm-hmm.
It's already here somewhere. It's not here anymore. Wait. I'm looking for it.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
K's intro is here. There's no music in the background.
No, I stopped it for a second.
Oh, thanks, bro. You can do it from your phone.
I can. I love technology.
Exactly. And it goes under the green.
Yeah,
I did it before. Oopsie.
exactly.
Guys, this is the end of the practice. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wait.
My name is Kate, and I'm so
This
incredibly
is so
happy to
low.
be spending my morning with you.
And I'll have to go here.
A program brought to you by Fundación Autismo Aruba. I'm going to be sitting down with you once a month to talk about everyday life. We are going to dive into the daily routines, situations, and moments that can sometimes